Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Vault of Civilizations reveals the hidden secrets behind every luxurious camel blanket in this exclusive documentary.
Vault of Civilizations invites you to discover the world's largest camel blanket factory, where hundreds of dedicated professionals create magic every single day.
Watch how Vault of Civilizations transforms simple camel hair into the most luxurious blankets you will ever experience.
Welcome to Vault of Civilizations.
This blanket is unbelievably soft. I know, I could stay here forever.
You are about to witness something extraordinary as Vault of Civilizations takes you behind the scenes of the world's largest camel blanket manufacturing operation.
Did you know that camel blankets naturally regulate body temperature, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer?
Welcome to the main gallery. As we move through the space, notice how the natural light truly highlights the craftsmanship of this piece.
Vault of Civilizations invites you to witness the art of weaving, where thousands of threads become luxurious blankets.
You are about to discover the secrets of the world's most luxurious camel blankets, exclusively from Vault of Civilizations.
Welcome to Vault of Civilizations, where we begin an incredible journey inside the world's largest camel hair factory, producing luxury blankets.
Proper nutrition and daily care help produce the highest quality camel hair used for premium textiles worldwide. Regular veterinary care ensures healthy animals produce cleaner, stronger, and finer camel fibers for manufacturing. Before collection begins, each camel is carefully groomed to remove dirt and keep valuable fibers clean.
There we go, nice and smooth. You're shedding that winter coat, my friend.
Only the finest and softest camel fibers are selected for luxury blanket production worldwide.
Each batch is weighed, graded, and documented to ensure complete quality control from beginning.
Proper storage protects delicate camel fibers until processing begins in the main factory. Advanced technology combines with skilled craftsmanship to transform camel hair into luxury blankets.
From desert farms to advanced manufacturing, this is where raw camel fibers become premium luxury textiles.
Every shipment is carefully tracked and documented, ensuring complete traceability from the camel farm to finished luxury blankets. Powerful opening machines gently separate every fiber, preparing the delicate material for deep industrial cleaning processes. Industrial air cleaning removes unwanted desert dust and natural debris while protecting the delicate camel fibers.
Even after automated cleaning, trained specialists perform detailed inspections to guarantee premium luxury quality.
Gentle washing preserves the natural softness of camel fibers while removing impurities that affect final blankets. Controlled drying prevents fiber damage and maintains the natural strength and softness of every strand. Advanced optical sorting technology ensures only the highest grade camel fibers continue into blanket production.
Each fiber grade serves a specific purpose, but only the softest selections are reserved for premium blankets. Carding straightens and aligns the fibers, creating an even material that is ready for premium spinning. After careful cleaning, sorting, and carding, the camel fibers are finally ready for premium yarn spinning.
Now the transformation truly begins as soft camel fibers become strong, premium quality yarn inside this advanced spinning facility. Drawing machines gently straighten every strand, creating perfectly uniform fiber for smooth, high-quality camel yarn. Computer-controlled monitoring guarantees consistent thickness throughout every meter of yarn produced here. Powerful spinning frames twist loose fibers together, giving the yarn both exceptional strength and flexibility. Each spool is carefully monitored to ensure the yarn remains soft, smooth, and completely free from defects. Every production batch undergoes strict testing before it is approved for weaving operations. The yarn is rewound onto larger cones that can supply weaving machines without any interruption.
Only flawless yarn continues to the next stage because maintaining premium quality is the factory's highest priority.
Modern automation keeps production moving efficiently while protecting every spool from damage.
The yarn is finally ready as we prepare to watch thousands of threads woven into beautiful camel hair blankets.
Welcome to the heart of the factory, where thousands of camel hair threads are woven into luxurious blanket fabric.
Before weaving begins, every thread must be perfectly aligned to create a strong and even blanket. Advanced robotics help prepare each loom, reducing downtime and ensuring maximum production precision. Every second, thousands of threads interlock together to build the soft, durable fabric for premium blankets. Computer vision systems inspect the fabric continuously, detecting even the smallest imperfections instantly. Skilled technicians keep production running around the clock by replacing yarn supplies with almost no interruption. Once weaving is complete, the fabric is rolled carefully to protect its texture and quality. Every roll is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the factory's strict luxury standards.
Special brushing machines lift the natural fibers, giving camel hair blankets their famous softness and comfort.
The fabric is now complete as we prepare to transform giant rolls into beautifully finished luxury blankets.
The woven fabric has reached the assembly department, where precision cutting begins the transformation into luxury blankets. Computer-guided cutting machines ensure every blanket is produced with identical dimensions and exceptional accuracy.
Every panel is carefully inspected to guarantee consistency before assembly continues.
Strong reinforced stitching increases durability while giving each blanket a clean, professional finish.
Each blanket receives a carefully attached identification label, allowing complete product traceability.
A final brushing process enhances the blanket's natural softness, warmth, and elegant texture.
Every blanket is individually inspected because luxury products leave no room for imperfections. Steam finishing improves the blanket's appearance while preserving the natural characteristics of camel hair. Automation allows thousands of blankets to be folded quickly while maintaining perfect presentation.
The manufacturing process is nearly complete as we prepare to package these luxury blankets for customers worldwide.
After manufacturing is complete, every blanket enters the final stage of inspection, packaging, and preparation for worldwide delivery.
Strict measurements ensure every blanket meets premium international standards before packaging continues. Luxury products require detailed inspection because even the smallest flaw can affect overall quality.
Specialized testing confirms that every blanket delivers comfort, strength, and long-term durability.
Modern automation ensures each blanket is packaged carefully while maintaining a premium presentation. Protective packaging preserves quality from the factory floor to the customer's home.
Automation increases efficiency and allows thousands of blankets to be prepared for shipment every day.
Advanced warehouse management ensures fast and accurate global distribution of every blanket. These luxury camel hair blankets are now ready to travel to stores and customers around the world. The journey from camel hair to premium blanket is nearly complete, with one final stage remaining.
Global shipping networks make it possible for these premium blankets to reach markets across multiple continents.
These premium luxury blankets now travel across oceans to reach customers in countries around the world. Modern logistics technology keeps every shipment organized, accurate, and ready for fast delivery. Even after packaging, additional inspections help maintain the factory's commitment to premium quality. The finished blankets combine comfort, durability, and timeless craftsmanship, making them highly valued worldwide.
Camel hair is naturally lightweight, warm, breathable, and comfortable, making it a premium choice for luxury home textiles.
Behind every blanket is a skilled team working together with advanced machinery to maintain exceptional quality. Continuous maintenance and precision engineering ensure reliable production every single day. Every premium blanket represents months of careful animal care, advanced manufacturing, and expert craftsmanship. From the desert to homes around the world, this remarkable journey showcases the perfect blend of nature, technology, and human skill.
Every department plays a vital role in transforming naturally collected camel hair into premium luxury blankets trusted around the world.
Smart manufacturing technology helps maintain consistent quality while improving production efficiency every day. Regular maintenance keeps these powerful machines running with incredible precision and reliability. Scientific testing ensures every blanket meets strict international quality standards before reaching customers.
Every package is prepared with care, so customers receive a product that reflects true craftsmanship.
Modern warehouses allow the factory to fulfill large international orders quickly and accurately. From this factory, premium camel hair blankets travel across the globe to homes, hotels, and luxury retailers. The finished blankets offer exceptional warmth, natural softness, breathability, and timeless elegance for premium comfort. What began as naturally shed camel hair has become a world-class textile through advanced engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and thank you for joining Vault of Civilizations on this incredible factory tour of luxury camel hair blanket manufacturing.
So hello guys, welcome back to another documentary. So this documentary takes you inside one of the world's largest camel hair factory to see how premium luxury blankets are made from start to finish. You will follow the complete journey behind the healthy luxury camels raised on modern farms and the careful collection of naturally shed camel hair. This video then explores every manufacturing steps including cleaning, sorting, spinning, weaving, cutting, sewing, quality testing, packaging, and worldwide spinning. Along the way you'll see advanced factory machines, skilled workers, and strict quality control that helps create soft, warm, and durable blankets. Join Vault of Civilization for the amazing behind the factory tour. If you like this channel, if you like our video, kindly do like, subscribe, and follow our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Yalla, take care.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.